Hello, thank you for joining me today as we go over the things to think about before getting on the bus. Firstly, how are you going to pay? You can pay using change. For anyone 15 to 65 is going to be $2.75. For children, anyone 6 to 14 is $2.50. And for seniors, anyone 65 plus is $2.50 as well. You can take up to 3 children who are under the age of 6 on the bus for free. Any additional children after that will be an extra $2 charge. Or you could go for ride cards and monthly bus passes. For an adult, 10 ride is $25, or a 20 ride is $50, which will mean it is $2.50 per ride. For a student or senior, 10 ride card is $22, and a 20 ride card is $44. That'll be $2.20 per ride. The next thing you could consider are monthly bus passes. For an adult, it's $77. You'd need to take 31 rides to make it worth buying. The next is the student card, which is $66. You would need to take 30 rides to make it worth buying. And the last one is a senior and child, any child being anyone over 6 who isn't in school, and that is $55. You'd need to take 25 rides to make that worth buying. And finally, we got the ComX. It takes $4 and change. Or for a 10 ride card, it is $38, which is $3.80 per ride. And the 20 ride card is $68, which is $3.40 per ride. Finally, you could go for a monthly bus pass for the ComX, which is $125. You'd need to ride at least 37 times to make that worth getting. After you decide how you're going to pay for the bus, you'll want to look into where you can find bus stops. You used to be able to find them here on buses, but due to COVID, they no longer produce paper copies and may only release them if a schedule changes. You can also ask a bus driver, or you could decide to go to their online website. You go to www.stjohn.ca. Press enter. And then you're going to go down to where it says transit and left click on that. After that, you can scroll down a little. You'll see on the left panel a link that says routes, stops, and schedules. You'll click on that. And then you scroll down a little farther. You'll see a place that says status, which will inform you on whether any buses are late or cancelled due to weather. A little farther below that, you'll find your mainline routes, your north and south routes, your west side routes, and your east side routes. Finally, the ComX routes. We'll have a full detailed video on how to navigate and use all the useful tools found on their website. After you decide the route you want to go on, you can look for the bus stops. There are 3 mainline bus stops, one at Lancaster. There's a few around King Square. And then there is one found at McAllister Place. You can also recognize bus stops by looking for these signs, or these enclosures. Not all bus stops are still active, but if you go through our video on how to navigate the website and use all the tools found on there, you'll be able to figure out which bus stops are still active and which ones are not. In our next video, we'll go over the important to you parts of the bus and the rules for riding and the rules for transfers. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.